Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can make music sound muffled in Capcut. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my Capcut application, and as you can see here I have imported my music to this Capcut project. And first of all guys, we can click on the music, click on the music again until we find the voice effect. We're going to use the voice effect in Capcut to make the music sound muffled. Then after you have this voice effect opened, you can click on the retro category. Okay, and here I suggest you to select the microphone effect or the lo-fi or the final effect, and I'm going to try it one by one to show you the effect. This is the microphone, lo-fi, okay, and the final. Okay, and I think the microphone effect sounds better to make the music muffled. So I'm gonna select the microphone, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can make music sound muffled in Capcut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.